We just finished up a '86 Monte Carlo for my good friend Harry at Glacier Auto Repair. He came to me wanting a pretty interesting wrap. He had an idea of making the body look like a Patina rust when he completely refinished the engine, the interior, the whole suspension, etc. So we went ahead and did a custom printed Patina wrap on the full vehicle, added some brand new custom pinstriping around the entire vehicle, added some retrofit LED headlights, did some custom work there, cleaned up all the black trim on it. We also did some door jamb customizations. You can see what vinyl wrap can do to your vehicle, what you can print. If you want your vehicle wrapped or anything else, only here at Zabos Customs.